Oh yeah, we flying. Ooh. You know what? I'm closing it now. I don't even care. Fuck tapping it. I'm in on 2 accounts. All right, we made it to the gym. Ain't nobody here as always. Fucking losers. Good, we're up 23.05. This week we're up 14.86. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, family, to another video. Today, it's Tuesday. Yesterday we made about $690 trading. Today, I'm just trying to make it to the next day. I ain't gonna lie to you. The fact that I even made $690 yesterday is a blessing in itself. The fact that I can even make money from a skill set is amazing. But right now, we are going to get the VIP Trading Network all started and everything. Right now, it is approximately 9:25, so we have 5 minutes until the open. So let me just get everything closed out. I was just editing a video right over here. Doesn't look like they're live yet, but we do have a lot more people. To the family, if you want to join the VIP, if you want to join the VIP Trading Network, join the community of like-minded traders where you could take my trades, take other people's trades, learn from experience, learn from beginning, intermediate, advanced traders. Join the community. We're growing at a rapid pace. And yes, it is month to month. Everyone's asking, is it a monthly? Yes, it is monthly. If you don't find value, you can just cancel. You should be worrying about making more money to then invest it later. That's just my opinion. But if you do want to learn for free, check out the free course because that's always the free option. But with that being said, let's hop on the trading. Let's hop on this live. Let's start it all up and let's get to work. If we can get a good trade, I'm telling you, this is going to be the day. Once we come into this gap, ideally at 10 o'clock, I'm going long skis. It'll be the first trade of the day. And ideally, I want it to be a win because we got 53 people watching. They all gonna think I'm ass. All right, we got into the longs at the area I was saying. We got a little reaction off of it. It just hit 10 o'clock, but it's not over yet. Let's see. We're gonna send this in the chat, see what happens. I'm gonna watch this because I'm not gonna take a full loss on this if I don't have to. Yeah, we up a little bit. We up a little bit. A little some. Now we trying to see what's up, no cap. Originally was risking the 6, now we're risking the 3 because I adjusted stop loss because we're in profit. Oh yeah, getting nice little pushes. Oh yeah, we flying. Woo! Come on, run this wick though. I just wanted that wick. I don't want it to tap the wick, never come back. But now y'all seen it here first. I told y'all if this ends up being an L, it's not my fault. Woo! Come on, reach for that wick. I just want to see it reach for that high. This shit really came back down and stopped me break even, bro. Just crazy. But we got the re-entry. If this one plays out, we good. If not, the markets did me dirty. I want to come for this wick now. That wick that was up there, I'm coming for you. Yeah, we look like we just almost hit TP1 again, but price is just up and down, up and down. Bro, all of it, it's just up and down. This is just a seesaw. We up there, hit the high right there, bro. Come on, hit this high, and we out of there. Hit the high and I'm out this joint. Hit the high. Come on, motherfucker. Motherfucker. They try to eat. They try to eat. They try to eat. You know what, I'm closing it now. I don't even care, fuck tapping it. I'm in on 2 accounts. Nah, I'm in on 2 accounts. I'm holding another one. Just like that, another productive day. Is this all on? The mic and everything should be all on, hold on. There we go, but just another productive day. We made about $830 on the funded account, and I might probably take a withdrawal out of that. I probably may take $400 out of it just so I can pay for some stuff, just so I can give myself a little bit of, pay for the account that I paid $100 to actually get and then paid $150 for activation. Just give myself a little something. I'll show you guys the accounts and everything because I took the trade on 2 different accounts. On the 100K account that I showed you guys I was trading yesterday, I also made $880 on that one, risking about $300 also. I risked $300 on both trades, made about $1,600 in total. Can't complain. Now we're about to head to the gym, continue editing this video that I get posted for you guys today, continue recording this one that's gonna get posted tonight or in the morning. And yeah, we just got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. Make sure you join VIP, get that discount. First month, 50% off, up $85 for the day off of that. As you can see, the trade that we took in the VIP is going stupid, went crazy. It was about an hour-and-a-half session. Amazing, look at this, amazing trade. Let the people speak for it. That's 3 L days for me. Damn, he got in late. See, not everyone's gonna win, but that's the importance of having a community. It shows you what it's really like. But let me show you the actual accounts and everything. So on the 100K account is up 1,487, and I made 870. I made 870 off of that one. Then if we go to my other one, I have another 100K account that I'm not using. If we go to my other account in here, which is the funded account, you can see that account is sitting at 2,280, and we made about 826 for the day. All right, I just took my dog for a walk. She's hungry as shit now. You hungry, Luna? Sitting over here by your food. Bougie, she's waiting for me to bring her water to eat her food. You too bougie, dog. Bon appetit. I gotta take this trash out too. But right now, I still have to edit. I still have to edit this vlog that you guys are going to be watching before this one. I'm more than likely gonna post the vlog I'm editing right now, probably at 6, 7 o'clock p.m. today. And then this vlog is gonna be posted around maybe 8, 9 o'clock after that. I got a lot of editing to do. I got a lot of work to get done, but that's why I'm here right now. I'm not at the gym yet. I'm gonna go to the gym after I go on my girls' break at 12. It's probably around 12:30, 12:45. Then I'll come back, continue editing, getting everything done, continue making content, continuing to get work. Even though I'm up almost $1,000 for the day, it's not enough. The job's not finished. We have work to do. We have things that gotta get done for us to be able to get to that next level. Just hit 8,020 subscribers. Hit 8,000 yesterday. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you. Every single one of you. Even if you don't like or comment, I appreciate every single one of you. Now put it at the other side of your heart. Here, there you go. I love y'all. I'm just getting these vlogs and everything all created, trying to get all the clips. These 2 vlogs are being posted today. I'm gonna make it a mission to myself to get these 2 posted tonight. I don't care how long it takes. They're gonna get posted. They're gonna get edited. It's gonna happen, so stay tuned. I don't know which one is gonna get posted first, but whichever one you're watching now, more than likely answers that question. Now I'm finna head to my girl on break, come back, go to the gym, get husky, then they get these videos posted, and then slowly start wrapping my day up to where we can actually go to sleep and rinse and repeat. All right, I have our job, I'm weighing, got that thing rolled, and for everybody that wonders, how do you smoke and trade? How do you smoke and be successful? It's all about your mindset and discipline, bro. Smoking isn't gonna make you do anything that you don't wanna already do, or make you do anything you don't wanna already do. It's all in your mindset, it's all you. What you wanna do, you're gonna do. What you don't wanna do, you're not gonna do. It comes down to your discipline and how bad you really want this shit. If you wanna be successful and smoke, you can make it happen, but it may be way harder than to be successful versus not smoking. It just comes down to, are you gonna put the work required to get to that point? I'm going to. I don't know about you, but I'm going to. So maybe I can smoke. But it's about 12:30. I still gotta finish all these videos and stuff. Today, this lasts like 4 or 5 days, especially since all this traveling to Miami. It's been a whole lot of content creation, but this is what I love to do, man. I love talking to the camera. I love giving value. I love being able to record my life, monetize my life, and be able to share with others exactly what I'm doing. Share with others exactly what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis that's allowing me to get to where I want to be. And you guys are here for the whole journey. So after this, probably gonna go wash my car and everything. Then we're gonna go head to the gym and get this work in. In my opinion, I like the outside being clean, but I like the inside more than anything because that's what I'm actually in. And right now, this shit feels so dirty. I took it to Miami. I drove it to Alcala like twice. Shit's just real dirty.
Damn long, I can hold my whole crew weight.
All right, so the one I was just using, the vacuum, that shit straight sucks. So I'm reversing all the way into the one behind me. Yeah, I'm making sure I get this car all the way clean. My brakes are crazy when they're wet. We got it nice and clean. I ain't putting no wheel shine or nothing. Get the interior. I was hot as shit. I had to take my shirt off. No cap. Whew. Got a little scratch there, but it's all good. All clean, all clean. Come on. Yeah, there's stuff in there, but I ain't gonna throw it away. While I'm still here, let me make sure that shit's all clean. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I'm hot as shit. I ain't gonna lie. I am really hot as shit. Sweating, like I had sweat dripping down my face just cleaning the car. And it's just because it's hot as shit right now. I can't roll my windows down because Just cleaned it. But everything's nice and clean right now. I feel good. Now, since we're sweaty, let's go get this workout on. Let's get to the gym. All right, we made it to the gym. Ain't nobody here as always. Fucking losers. Every time I come here and nobody's here, the first thing I think is, damn, they're just making it 10 times easier. Fuck that. They're making it 100 times easier for me to win. Why? Because I know that majority of people don't got the discipline to continue going to the gym. It's okay to miss a day. It's okay to miss a few days, but it's about what you do. It's about how you bounce back. Are you going to continue to go afterwards? Are you going to let that 3 days turn to 6 days? Or are you just going to get straight back to work and miss no more days after that and learn from it? Most people aren't going to do that. Once they get that momentum of not going, it's over with. But me, even if I don't go to the gym for 2 days, I got to get back. Like mentally, I have no choice. Like it's part of my lifestyle. It's part of my habits. I'm trying to ingrain it so deep into my brain that if I don't go to the gym, I feel depressed. Even if it makes me feel like shit being here. But the workout we're finna do is everything. The fuck, we're doing it all, full body. I'm gonna be doing shoulders. I'm gonna be doing knees for shoulders. I'm also gonna be doing, what are they called? Shrugs. I'm gonna grab like the 45-pound weights. I'm gonna do shrugs to help with my, what are these called? The traps. I'm gonna do the lat pull downs for a little bit of back. I'm gonna hit squats for legs. I'm gonna do the leg curls for legs. Also going to do, I wanna run. I've been seeing a lot of people running, a lot of people that I see that are successful, a lot of people that I see have good habits, they're running. Even if the running isn't like doing nothing crazily good, I know it's one thing where it's easy, so anybody could do it, so there's no reason why you can't do it. 2, it is good for you. If you are staying active, especially for someone if you smoke, being able to run is definitely gonna help with your stamina, and someone like me, I'm gonna need that, so we're gonna try to do it. People calling me, not right now. We working, getting this gym workout, and we recording. I need to put like a do not disturb sign, but first things first, let's go get the rest of these weights so I can just actually start with this workout. Damn, this shit heavy. These things heavy, 45s. But those gonna be the fucking muscle breaker. Those are gonna be the ones that hit. I ain't gonna record too much in the gym. I'll probably record a little bit, but just so you guys know I was here, I'll show you everything. Not everything, I'll show you what I'm doing, show you the little workout itself. But after this, I gotta go get my girl and continue editing and posting these videos. And look what time it is. 2:38, and this is about to die. So let's just get to work. We back at the taco spot. Now the tacos be hitting now. Tacos be hitting. They got a little spot out here next to a European auto place. I left the door open. All right, I'm back in my room and everything. Just editing, about to get the other video posted. So make sure. Matter of fact, you're probably watching this after, so what I was about to say doesn't even matter. But I'm about to show you guys the top step and everything, show you the account, show you how much I made and everything with the updated account credentials with both my funded account and the 100K challenge that I traded today. So let's get straight into the top step website. As you can see on this account, this is the 100K account that I'm taking right now. The account is at 100,487, which is a new high. And you can see for the week, we're up 28.59. That's because I was in drawdown in this account last week if you watched the vlogs. And you can see over here, we're up 1487 out of 6,000. And that's only with 5 days. So we're going to see if we can get it past maybe the next 2 days. Let's see what can happen. I don't really care for this account as much as I care for this one right here, which is the funded account. The funded account is what I'm actually trying to keep up. And as you can see, we have 8 winning days so far. So if I wanted to take a payout right now, I could. We're up 23.05. This week, we're up 14.86. In this account, we've only had it for 9 days. We have about an 89% winning rate. Not bad. We're all doing good. And then with VIP and everything for the day, we've made about 185. getting all the new members with the discounts, renewals, and everything. It's been a great day. Everybody ate today in the VIP chat. I was able to make money. Other people in the chat were also able to catch trades. Other people are able to get a little bit closer to passing their funded challenges. Nobody passed a challenge today, but there is Alicia. She has $4,000 left on the 150K account, and then she passes it. And then I think Ashley, she also has maybe about 1,500 to 2,000 left to pass her 150. They're both about to pass it, crazily enough. I'm not sure anybody else off the top of my head, but more than likely they are taking challenges. More than likely, who is it? Hatham. Hatham is also taking a funded challenge. There's a couple people, but at the end of the day, we're working. At the end of the day, we're taking it day by day, trying to get this money, trying to make things work, trying to change lives, trying to change our life so we can change others. And that's how I'm doing it through this content. But with that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. If you want to learn how to day trade, if you want to learn how I personally trade, how I make money trading, my system, everything about the market, make sure you check out the free course. The free course is going to teach you everything you need to know from 0 to 100. And then once you got the knowledge, once you got the game, once you got the system, and you're ready to get experience and actually join a community and join a team of people that trade every single day, like-minded individuals, and you could take my trades, take other people's trades, and just learn every single day with us, make sure you join the VIP Trading Network. You can use the code in the description to get the first month half off. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're not going to be trading the funded account tomorrow. We're only going to be trading the challenge. So let's get to work. Let's pass this new challenge, and let's get this money.